If you've ever bought furniture only to realize it doesn't fit or match the room, you might have heard of the IKEA Place app. It uses augmented reality to let you see how IKEA furniture looks in your space. Just point your phone camera and drop in a couch, table, or bed in real size. That's super helpful when you're trying to plan your space without guessing. But here's the deal. While the idea is great, the app can be a bit slow or glitchy at times. Some items don't line up perfectly with your floor or walls, and not every IKEA product is available in AR yet. Still, if you're shopping for IKEA furniture and want to avoid surprises, this app can really help you visualize before buying. So, should you use it? Yes, especially if you're unsure about size, style, or layout. Just keep in mind it's a tool, not perfect. Always double-check measurements and lighting before committing. Let me know if you've used IKEA Place. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.